The overall mission of the West Louisville Outdoor Recreation Initiative and Engaging Children Outdoors programming is to create cradle-to-career access to nature. From early childhood education to out-of-school opportunities to summer job opportunities, we really want to foster and build a love of nature in youth so that they become the next green career leaders and environmental stewards.
In Louisville, Kentucky, we have a lot of good parks, but there are some nature access issues, especially in West Louisville. And there are also issues of polluted land and air, water, because of development or because of industry or lack of investment. There's also some lack of infrastructure, I think.
Some of the health inequities that we've been experiencing are lower life expectancy, higher rates of disease and health problems. Infrastructure access has been a part of that, getting people outdoors, creating safe park spaces, and creates a social cohesion within the community. Right now we are in Shawnee Park, and the West Louisville Outdoor Recreation Initiative has improved a lot of recreational amenities in Shawnee Park. We now have a bicycle pump track and a hiking trail. There is a boat ramp that provides access to the river, and eventually the Shawnee Outdoor Learning Center that will be the home base for all of ECHO programming.
Well, it has impacted our community because it's given the children a lot of different options and a lot of different things to do. Fixing of the pond and the ability to fish and canoe and different things like that. The whole community is looking forward to all the different programs and buildings, and it's essential because they get outside of the house, get off the couches and the computers and things like that, and get out of the house and into nature.
We love being a part of ECHO. It's been a positive experience, not only for me as a parent, but for my daughter Addison. She loves coming here, and even my 2-year-old son has been involved in programming. It's something positive and it's something healthy, and it allows them to learn about the world around them.
There is lots of new opportunities where you can learn from the stuff, and even if you first tried it and you really don't want to do it, they push you to try it. And you end up trying it, and then you know, oh, this is actually pretty fun. Let me try it some more. You can feel comfortable and safe because it's a safe place. You can learn a lot from it.
So with providing programs, we're reaching around 2,500 youth annually, as well as families and for family programs. And we're based in Shawnee Park and going out at other Louisville parks as well, providing environmental education and recreation. We're doing nature play, so we're kind of reaching all the age groups as well, from like nature play with preschoolers all the way up to like doing teen camp programs and even providing employment opportunities for young adults too.
Thanks to Getting Further Faster initiative, we have been able to articulate appropriately the ways to move ECHO forward. They helped us create a sustainability and a policy plan, and those will really help us address the inequities in the community with the expansion of ECHO. The ultimate goal is to create the Shawnee Outdoor Learning Center here in West Louisville. There are nature centers that exist in South Louisville and East Louisville, but none that exist here in West Louisville. So this building will serve all of the community. It will provide community space for events, and it will be the home base for all of ECHO programming, including the out-of-school time, community events, and nature play.
Ultimately, we just want to provide nature connection and appreciation of nature, but I really just think that that sense of belonging in their local parks is so important.
One of the policies that we are trying to initiate is the Children's Outdoor Bill of Health, and that just states what children have basic rights to: a healthy space, a safe space, the ability to climb a tree, the ability to take a walk in their community, and basic children's rights of being outside.